Want to know how to install the Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Play Store or your App Store if you're on your iPhone. So you can just simply open it up and then on the search bar right here, just simply select it and then search up Boo app. So once I selected it, here you should be seeing this Boo Dating Friends app. So you can just simply click on it for more information, scroll down for reviews and much more, and then just simply select install right here if you want to, and you can just also see reviews and similar apps as well. So once you have to install, your installation should begin just like this right here, and it should take just a while, and after that you can just simply enjoy your application by opening it up, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.